Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a demo account right here on ThinkMarkets. So if you want to do this, what you're going to do is if you already have a live account, then you can do it right here from going to my accounts. Select right here, create demo account, and then right here you fill in right here the currency that you want to use. The leverage, you can change that, and then right here select the amount that you want to trade with. Then we do create accounts. And then right now he's creating our account right here on ThinkMarkets. And if you can see right here, you will find now here your platform, the account type, your email, and right here your password. So if you click there on the I, you can log in with your password. So right now if you go to Open Think Trader, this is the place where you can trade right now. And this is how you can create right here a demo account when you already have a live account. If you go right here back to Google and search for ThinkMarkets demo account, you can go right here to demo account. Then select right here, create demo account. And then what you can do right here is fill in your first name, last name, your phone number, your email address, your password. And then after that, what you're going to do is select here on no and then do submit right here. Then once you did that, you can create your own demo account besides that live account, because I was doing everything right here in a live account. So this is how you can create your demo account on ThinkMarkets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.